probably look extremely crusty, dusted, and busted right now, but that is okay. That's okay because it's all in preparation for major things. So I'm upgrading my filming setup again. You know, I feel like as a content creator, you're always learning, you're always changing, adjusting, and you know, I feel like if I'm going to take myself as seriously as I've been doing, I also need to showcase that to you guys, which I'm sure you guys have seen in my work. But it was just like, I want to give you guys better quality content, like sound, picture, like stuff like that. Even with my vlogs, I want them to be more cinematic. So honestly, I don't really plan on using my phone too much to vlog anymore. I can, just because it does have that cinematic setting on there, which I do like. But needless to say, I got a better microphone, so the sound is way more crisp. I think it's by Rode. And then I have a new lens. So I was using the factory made lens that came with my Sony camera, and it was good for what it was good for, like, you know, beginning. But I kept doing research, and every time I researched better quality videos specifically for my channel and my niche, which is, you know, beauty, all things beauty and fashion, of course, which I'll be incorporating that a lot more this year too, as much as possible. But it had said that, you know, you might want to invest in a, I think like a 35 millimeter 50, and then there's another one, but I have a 50. And when I tell you, that looks like Real Housewives of Potomac, Kardashians type filming equipment lens. Like, that was absolutely gorgeous. It looks so much more cinematic, it looks more focused, it just looks like money, it looks like extravagance, it looks so good. And I'm really excited to show you guys what it looks like when I upload new content for the month of February. Right now, this is just like a little mini vlog, mini update for you guys. What I'm doing is I am heading to Ulta because I need to pick up some brush cleaner, because I'm tired of cleaning my brushes, like deep cleaning my brushes. It's getting annoying. I just want some new stuff to use. I'm kind of bored with the current things that I have until I launch everything as far as Timeless Beauty goes. And then that's a whole nother update in itself. I'm not even going to update you guys with Timeless Beauty just yet, because that's a whole nother video. I know I have another update for you guys, which is my breast. I'm going to go to Ulta, pick up some stuff, and then I'm going to show you guys what I picked up once I get back to the house.
Bring me out the plastic, I've been acting brand new. He's acting like they running shit they really ran through. I spent that 500 before I ever trapped you. They thought I was gonna fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. Through so many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. She make you pay, rich, get you both. They the Bentley to valet and let that try to boat. Let me pop off, leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks out. Heard from the south, he trying to see me knock his socks off. Told him, meet me at the top, think they got lost. I don't go like Reese. She thought I would kiss her, she must ain't took a mix.
Okay, y'all, so this is what it looks like with my 50 lens. Like, it looks so good. Like, if I come too close, it kind of like, it's like, girl, back up, you too close. Like, you see me, but it's like back up a little bit. I like it more though because it does focus. Like, see, I backed it just a little bit. Like, the lens itself moves. It's like back. Right now, I'm also cleaning up because I need to clean up my kitchen. I need to mop my floors. I need to vacuum. I need to call my mom and get my carpet cleaner back, because my kid's carpet looks like a damn kid's carpet. So I gotta do that. But right now, what I'm gonna do is I just fixed them their lunch. I am going to clean up my kitchen, and then I'm gonna get back to you and show you guys what I got from Ulta and a few other things. Went to Ulta. I just picked up some little didgeridoo. I got this brush bath. So y'all know I live by this. When I was taking clients, just doing my makeup in general, when it came to cleaning my brushes and I needed to be done like this brush cleaner saved my life. I haven't had micellar water in so long. They had so many in there, but I wanted to get the vitamin C and brightening. It's funny because today I noticed how many freckles I have specifically because of this lens. Oof. A simple brown NYX lip liner. I don't feel like I actually have a brown. I have nutmeg, espresso. I have every other shade but a brown. And it's like whenever I would go to Walmart or CVS, it was always sold out. I don't know why I never thought to go to Ulta to get my pencil. So another thing I got, because I just wanted to try it, I didn't get the big one, is the Mini Continuous Prep and Set Mist. I did hear some good reviews about it, but we're going to review it together with the oily skin girl, because this one says supercharged with ceramides and antioxidants. It says prep skin and set makeup while supercharging your complexion, blah, blah, blah. I'm trying to go down. So it's hydrating. Y'all know I don't use too many hydrating stuff unless I'm prepping my skin, but that's what this is. Then I decided why not, because I haven't done it. I got some Fenty Beauty. It's just a lip gloss. This one is Sweet Mouth. It's more like a pink type of color. I like it. So then what I got next, I got a liquid blush. So as y'all know, I've been using like the Pixie Pretties Cream Rogue palette, and it's good for blushes or lip gloss / lipstick. I use it for blush because I like the colors in there, but I wanted to try an orange because I want to do more of like a bronzy makeup. So I definitely got an orange. It says Gorge Orange. There were some other ones in there, but I just didn't feel like they went with my complexion. But I feel like this one will definitely go because I have like a... Then I got this cute, it's Nubian Sand. This is by Juvia's Place. It's like a nude pink, regular lipstick. From here, and what the box says, like this box has more of like that pink color that I was wanting, but looking at it from right here, it doesn't look like it. But you know, things are different when you swatch on your skin tone, so I'm not gonna go too hard on it. And then I picked up this Juvia's Place, the Rebel palette. It's like a cute little palette. This one's honey. It's just this cute little mini palette you can get one complete look out of. Oh, the little cheap thing fell out. But that's what I got. So a simple little run. So I'm probably gonna do a makeup tutorial with it. So I've never been like a coffee girl, but I kind of want to try a little something. So I want to become one. I'm more of a tea girl, but I found this iced coffee in Walmart and I want to try it. This one is churro, cinnamon churro. And I'm gonna use my Ghirardelli caramel. Then, where's my creamer? I think I'd be more of like an iced coffee girl anyway. So, then I picked up the Cinnamon Dolce Latte creamer by Starbucks. What I'm gonna do is make a cute little cup, little tasty taste to see if I like coffee like that. Give me 1 second. I'm probably gonna have to go get my daughter because my daughter right now is not having it. Let me go get Nehru. So I'm back with Nehru. Mommy gonna make a little something to drink. So you know what I need you to do? I need you to sit right here. Don't touch nothing. So I got my glass. I normally would put the caramel in there first. I don't really care. I'm just trying to make something. I'm also hungry as heck because I haven't eaten today so far. Okay. So that's the cup. Oh! We got whipped cream, so I'm gonna use it. Alright, let's see what this iced coffee is hitting for. So I got some cinnamon right here. Is this new? Oh. And it's crazy. My mom has always said, for a person that doesn't drink coffee, I always make like the best cups. I might have been like a barista in a past life. I feel like, yeah. So, and drizzle that on top. Let's give it a try. Like I said, I'm not a coffee person, so I'm gonna test it out. Give it up for the McDonald's straw. That's good. I can't let you have coffee, baby. You want some cream? Look. You want more? You gotta eat it, mama. I might just be a coffee girl now, y'all. I didn't join the gang. Cool beans. Alright, so what I'm about to do, because I still gotta clean up my kids' mess in the living room when they ate their lunch. I need to put my food on. I was gonna make me some like cheddar, jalapeno cheddar poppers, but I'm gonna just go with some Zatarans for right now. Quick meal so I can sit down and chill out for the day. So I'm gonna end here and go clean up. So thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I really appreciate you guys. So much more than you guys could possibly know. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're loving the content. If you like the way this looks, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you're feeling this lens. Let me know if my sound sucks. Let me know something so I can keep upgrading myself for you guys. And also just for myself, because you know, what's wrong with upgrade. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end it here. I'm going to put my food on and I'm going to go chill out and I'm going to go watch YouTube videos for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Nene. No.